Welcome to VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. In this video, we will discuss some important accessibility settings which you must do while you are configuring your computer. Even if you are using the computer without these settings, so after watching this video, do it now. If you enable those settings and modify those settings, then it will be good for you at the point of accessibility. Today basically we will discuss about the ease of access center which is available under control panel. Those who want to learn about this, please watch this video till the end. If you want to learn computer with personal assistance, join our exclusive private coaching for visually impaired, where you can learn basic to advanced computer. For more details, check out our computer literacy course from the website. The website link is given in the about page of our channel. Without further delay, let's start. So first, let me open the control panel.
Start window. Control panels. All control panel items. Autoplay link.
So I have already made a video of device manager feature earlier, where I have discussed about the control panel also and which view you should choose. I also said there. If you did not watch that video, you can visit our basic to advanced computer playlist. There you can check it out. So I am just pressing tab until unless I listen to the ease of access.
Date file, keyboard, power, task, work, back, default file, mail, progress, sound, treble, bitlock, device, fonts, mouse, recovery, storage, user accounts, color, devices, indexing, on network and region link, sync center link, Windows Defender, fire credential, ease of access center link.
So here I'm just pressing enter and let's see what's the options available.
Always scan this section, checkbox not checked, alt plus.
So if you check this box checked, so this section will always scan and it will try to find if is there any new accessibility features or accessibility settings is there. So if you wish, you can turn it on, but for me I'm keeping as it is. Next I'm pressing tab.
Start magnifier button alt plus.
Start magnifier.
Start magnifier button alt plus G, alt plus G.
Okay, start magnifier. So this is very important for the low vision users. If you're a low vision user, you can turn this on to use your computer so that you can see your screen, you can see all the text in big size. Also you can turn on the high contrast mode, which I'll tell you at the end of this video how to turn it on and how your screen looks like. So if any low vision is watching this video, please stay in the video till the end, or if you know anyone who is low vision, please share this video with him or her so that he or she can be benefited from our videos. So guys, next, so magnifier is not required for the visually impaired 100% blind. So I'm pressing tab.
Start narrator button alt plus N, alt plus N.
So if you press enter here, then you will find the narrator related settings here.
Start on screen keyboard button
Start
alt plus K, alt plus K.
This is also part of accessibility. For example, if your keyboard is damaged, so you can use the on-screen keyboard. Okay, but remember, this on-screen keyboard is not 100% accessible for visually impaired. But when you type any password, if you use on-screen keyboard as a sighted user, then they might be benefited using this, but for visually impaired or for screen reader user, we have no benefits. Next,
set up high contrast button alt plus U, alt plus U.
So if you go there, here you can change or check the high contrast color, high contrast size, etc, etc. What is high contrast? High contrast is like your screen will be little dark and you can the text will be clearly visible to the low vision users. Okay.
Get recommendations
So
to
get
make your
recommendations
computer
and
easier.
something is
Use
there.
the computer without a display
Use the
link.
computer without a display. So here you will also find a narrator related settings, some options. Okay. Then some learn more features and all these things are there. So I'm just pressing enter here.
Turn on narrator
And now
checkbox
see it's
not
saying
checked.
turn
Alt
on
plus
narrator,
U.
checkbox not checked. So here you can turn the narrator on or off. Also you can use the shortcut Windows Control Enter to do this. We all know, but the feature which I want to show you is some accessibility related settings. Okay, I'm just pressing tab here.
Turn on audio description
Turn on audio
checkbox
description.
checked. Alt
Where
plus
audio
I.
description is enabled, you can check, but really frankly speaking, I never experienced this as I never experienced this. Okay, so you can turn it on. I'm trying to find the solution how it actually works, but till now I didn't find it. Okay guys, so guys, we will continue the video, but before that we have a very important announcement for you guys. Guys, sound is very important for a visually impaired, right? We always depends on sound, and there are many visually impaired who is a sound engineer who can easily make production like songs, audio podcast, audio stories, dramas, etc, etc. They can also create background music, even they can professionally run their studio. Guys, if you are also planning to start your own studio, or if you are planning to learn how to edit audios professionally, how to create sounds professionally, then VI Tech Academy is here. We are going to start the next batch of Art of Audio Editing using Reaper. The previous name was Getting Started with Reaper, which we already done in month of January 2025. Now next batch is going to start soon and admission is going on. So if you are interested, visit our courses page from the about page of the channel and register, because this is a certified course. After completing this course, you will get the completion certificate of the course. What's included in this course? You will learn from our website. Also, we will try to make a dedicated video on what you will learn in this course. So guys, we already have one video, so if you wish you can check, but we will try to make another dedicated video. So guys, if you are interested, don't forget to join our Art of Audio Editing classes. And remember, if you are out of India, if you are from any other countries, so you need to have the paper account to join these courses. Now let's come back to the video. I'm pressing tab here again.
Set up text to speech link. Alt plus S. Alt plus S.
So here you can check the text to speech speed, etc, etc, voice, etc, etc. Okay, so I'm pressing tab again.
Turn off all unnecessary animations. When possible, checkbox checked. Alt plus W.
Turn on all unnecessary animations when possible. You must uncheck this box. You must uncheck this box as a visually impaired. This is very important. Also, if you are a laptop user, it will save your battery. So, do this right now. Next, I'm pressing tab again.
How long should Windows notification dialog boxes stay open? Combo box 1 minute collapsed.
It is saying that how long Windows notification dialog box will open. So sometimes, let's suppose you receive one message from WhatsApp and it will disappear within few seconds. So that is asking how long it will take there. So I keep it 1 minute. If you wish 30 seconds, 15 seconds, you can do. But I recommend you to use at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, so that you have time to check it properly and take the necessary action.
Audio devices and
Audio
sound
devices
themes.
and
Link
sound
Alt
themes.
plus A Alt plus
That is
A.
like what you can do with the sound
Learn
design,
about
etc.
addict settings checkbox. Not
Then
JAWS 2020
JAWS
NVDA.
NVDA. This is related to this
OK
things.
cancel button.
Then just click
Navigation
on
buttons.
OK.
Toolbar. Back to ease of access. Recent locate. Back
So-
to E. Back to E.
So I'm just going to
Always scan.
ease of access, back to ease of access center. Now I'm telling you how you can turn on the high contrast. To turn this on, press left alt, left shift and insert, and it will like this way.
High contrast. Yes no button. Disable this key. Yes button. Alt pressed. Ease of access center. Always.
See, this is high contrast mode which I choose right now. Now I'm just going back to the normal mode using the same key. Now I go back to
Always.
the normal mode. So this is what high contrast mode, and this is how high contrast mode works. So guys, these are few settings which you have to do while configuring your computer for better use of accessibility. If you find this content useful, like the video, share the video with your loved ones, and subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more useful content like this. If you wish, you can donate us using the details given in the video description below, as well as you can join us as a member, or using the thanks button you can also support us. Join us on WhatsApp and Telegram channel for further updates. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.